Did you know a government once made its entire educated population unable to read overnight? In 1928, Mustafa Kemal Ataturk made an announcement that stunned Turkey. The country would stop using the Arabic script it had relied on for centuries. A new Latin-based alphabet would replace it, and the switch had to be complete within 18 months. Every doctor, lawyer, judge, and soldier educated before that moment suddenly couldn't read official documents. Centuries of Ottoman literature, legal codes, and religious texts became inaccessible almost immediately. But here's what made this unlike any other reform in history. Ataturk didn't just change the alphabet. He deliberately cut Turkey off from its own past. He knew exactly what he was doing. The old world had to become unreadable so the new one could take root. It worked. The transition stuck. A nation rewrote itself in under 2 years. But the question that historians still debate is a haunting one. Can you actually build a future on top of a past you've buried? Or does what gets cut off always find a way back?